Introduce features highlight for GoWISE USA, GW88012 electric meat 2000 watt max, grinder with DC motor with 3 grinding plates. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Know what you are eating and process your food in a flash. Make your own hamburgers, meatballs, sausages, veggie burgers, and more with the new GoWISE 3-in-1 electric meat grinder and food processor. The electric meat grinder is built with a DC motor that operates at 600 watts, up to 2000 watts max for tougher meats, and grinds 4 pounds of meat per minute. The 3-in-1 meat grinder comes with an assortment of attachments that are 100% food-grade material, ideal for processing food. 3 metal alloy grinding plates, stainless steel cutting blade, plastic food tray, sausage maker attachments, kib kit, and a food pusher. The cast aluminum body makes it heavy-duty while keeping the meat grinder lightweight and easy to carry. Featuring one switch for different operations, the 3-in-1 meat grinder has a reverse button to unclog the unit, forward button for grinding or stuffing, and an off button. The 3-in-1 meat grinder is easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. The parts are hand wash safe only, they are not dishwasher safe. Comes with a recipe book that contains 10 recipes tested right in our GoWISE kitchen. These step-by-step recipes will get you started and hooked on using your new kitchen gadget. Get more ideas from us and others. GoWISE is constantly sharing new video recipes, blogs, and seasonal recipe books. We also have a whole community of influencers and everyday users sharing their recipes in social media. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.